Welcome to Jason Mark Sneaker Care 101. I am Joe, your sneaker care technician, and we'll be showing you how to clean the Jordan 11 Concord. So here's what we'll need to clean the Jordan 11 Concord. A bowl of water, Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner, a standard brush, a premium brush, and a premium microfiber towel. So here we have the Jordan 11 Concord. It is composed of an EVA foam midsole, patent leather, and a premium mesh on the uppers. Let's get started by unlacing the shoe. So now let's use the premium brush to remove any loose dirt on the shoe. So now that we've dry brushed the uppers, we're going to want to move on to the midsoles. To do that, we're going to want to use our standard brush, which has stiffer bristles. Now let's move on to the uppers. To do that, we'll want to use the Jason Mark Premium brush, which is safe for all materials. So now that the shoe is drying, we're going to want to clean the laces. To do that, you'll want to take the laces in your hand, apply a few drops of solution to it, dip it in the water, and just move your hands back and forth as if you're washing your hands. You'll want to dip them back into the water just to get some of the dirt off. So now you'll want to take your microfiber towel and just run the laces through it. So now that the shoe's dry, we're going to go ahead and lace it up. Thank you for watching Jason Mark Sneaker Care 101. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what shoes you want to see us clean next.